Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
All the best strategies that you find on TradingView that I have been checking myself, I did add to the pocket option auto trader, and I will now show you how it looks like. If you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this free binary option robot for yourself, you find a link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So now I will show you how the bot looks like, and I'll take a couple of trades.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots, if they wanna just walk, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. I'm ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend, this is get. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure.
And there you have it. We detect 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 loss, $1,555 with this amazing binary option robot. So if you want this yourself, you find a link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.